Are interstellar objects proof of alien life? The debate continues. Are interstellar objects proof of extraterrestrial life? A new telescope may finally provide the answer. By Marina Koren, July 24th, 2025. In our solar system, the sun reigns supreme. Every celestial body, from the tiniest speck of ice to the mightiest planet, is bound to our star in an eternal cosmic dance. But occasionally, an interloper arrives from the vast expanse between stars. These enigmatic travelers, known as interstellar objects, offer a tantalizing glimpse into uncharted regions of the cosmos. When an interstellar object appears, astronomers around the world mobilize to study it before it disappears into the abyss. Through careful observations, they seek to uncover its dimensions, chemical composition, and even the possibility of alien technology. To date, only 3 interstellar objects have been discovered, with the most recent one, 3I Atlas, captivating telescopes worldwide. Later this year, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile is expected to revolutionize the study of these transient objects. By scanning the sky night after night, the observatory is predicted to spot between 5 and 100 interstellar objects in the next decade. It's like old-fashioned astronomy. Find the thing, point telescopes at it, argue about it, says Chris Lintod, an astrophysicist at Oxford. It's going to be fun. Interstellar objects are relics of countless histories, wandering through the Milky Way for millions or even billions of years. The first known interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, stunned astronomers in 2017 with its peculiar properties. The second, Borisov, was more in line with expectations, but 3I Atlas has its own quirks, appearing to be larger and older than our solar system. A catalog of interstellar objects could reveal how cosmic forces shape planetary systems over time. There's a whole zoo of explanations for interstellar objects, says Susanne Falsner, an astrophysicist at Forschungszentrum Jülich in Germany. These space rocks could be ejected by gravitational jostling, stellar winds, or other celestial phenomena. A.V. Loeb, a Harvard physicist, believes Oumuamua and 3I Atlas could be pieces of alien technology. If Rubin discovers more objects like them, it could settle the debate over their origin. At the very least, we will learn more about rocks that are thrown out of other stars, Loeb says. But we might also find an answer to the most romantic question in science. Are we alone? Most astronomers don't share Loeb's interpretation of Oumuamua or 3I Atlas. John Forbes, an astrophysicist at the University of Canterbury in New Zealand, suggests Oumuamua's unusual acceleration could be explained by comet-like properties. Daryl Seligman, an astrophysicist at Michigan State University, proposes that Oumuamua and other asteroids vent gases like comets, but produce an invisible tail belonging to a new class of celestial bodies called dark comets. While some scientists focus on chasing interstellar objects through our solar system, others are eager to investigate their journeys through the galactic wilderness. Forbes predicts that interstellar objects may form long, thin currents through the galaxy, and hopes Rubin will spot multiple newcomers arriving from the same spot in the sky. Interstellar objects could also help astronomers solve the mystery of planet formation. While it's easy for cosmic forces to create boulder-sized objects, growing them into larger worlds is more challenging. If there are many interstellar objects floating around new systems, they could provide the raw materials needed to overcome this hurdle. Rubin's search for interstellar objects provides a unique opportunity to explore the wonders of the universe beyond Earth. As we crack open this giant secret, we become privy to a cosmic wilderness shaped by the same forces that created our familiar landscapes. Interstellar objects remind us that we are just as much a part of the cosmos as these mysterious travelers, carving our own path through time and space. Vera Rubin Observatory, Serendipitous discovery of interstellar comet 3I Atlas. Imagine capturing a groundbreaking discovery purely by chance. This is exactly what happened with the Vera Rubin Observatory, which unknowingly photographed the interstellar object 3I Atlas before it was officially identified. This serendipitous event adds to the list of accidental scientific breakthroughs akin to Newton's apple or the invention of the microwave. According to a recent paper on Archive, the Rubin Observatory managed to capture the earliest high-resolution images of this comet during its science validation survey, even before the comet was formally discovered. The paper reveals that the Rubin Observatory was fortuitously aimed at the region of the sky where 3I Atlas was located during its science validation phase. The telescope captured images of the object from June 21st to July 7th, with June 21st being notably 10 days before the comet's official discovery, and even before the telescope's first look images were publicly released on June 23rd. These early observations are significant because they were made by a powerful telescope. The Rubin Observatory's 8.4-meter Simoii Survey Telescope, along with its 3.2 gigapixel Legacy Survey of Space and Time (LSST), provided the highest resolution images of the comet available at that time. Since these images were taken before the telescope was fully operational, the data had to be processed through custom data pipelines instead of the standard automated systems that will eventually handle the vast amounts of data Rubin will generate nightly. Fraser have been discussing the intriguing nature of this new interstellar object, 3I Atlas. The study included 49 images, though some were discarded due to issues like telescope alignment, interference from other stars, or being out of focus. 19 of these images were captured during planned science validation operations. The images reveal a comet behaving as expected, confirming 3I Atlas as a comet with a visible coma of gas and dust. Over the observation period, the coma's apparent size increased by about 58% as the comet approached the sun. Interestingly, the comet displayed a tail pointing towards the sun, a phenomenon explained by anisotropic dust emission, which, while rare, has been observed in other comets. Possible explanations include the slow ejection of large particles that are not quickly pushed back by solar radiation pressure, or a rotational axis nearly aligned with its orbital plane. In contrast to the excitement surrounding 1I Oumuamua, 3I Atlas has not shown any signs of non-gravitational acceleration. However, this could change as it approaches its perihelion in October. Similar to 1I Oumuamua's behavior. Unfortunately, the comet will not be visible during this time, as it will be obscured by the sun from September through December. Fraser also highlights the potential of the Vera Rubin Observatory to revolutionize astronomy. The observatory will lose sight of 3I Atlas slightly earlier, on August 22nd, when it moves out of a telescope survey area. The authors of the paper anticipate capturing at least 100 more images of the comet before this date, many of which are expected to be of higher quality than the initial set, as the telescope operators were unaware of the significance of the object in their view. A more detailed study is likely forthcoming, even if it may not hold the same element of surprise. What do you think about the role of chance in scientific discoveries? Could this unexpected find lead to new insights about interstellar objects? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Learn more. C.O. Chandler et al., NSF-DOE Vera C. Rubin Observatory observations of interstellar comet 3I Atlas, C 2025 N1. https archive.org/pdf/2507.13409. UT. The first pictures from Vera Rubin are here. https www.universetoday.com/articles. The first pictures from Vera Rubin are here. UT. Inbound. Astronomers discover third interstellar object. https and www.universetoday.com/articles. Inbound. Astronomers discover third interstellar object. UT. Newly discovered interstellar comet is billions of years older than the solar system. https universetoday.com/articles. A newly discovered interstellar comet is billions of years older than the solar system. 3I Atlas. 7-mile-long interstellar comet and largest ever seen. Imagine a cosmic giant, 7 miles wide, the largest object ever spotted crossing our solar system. This is the story of 3I Atlas, an interstellar comet that's rewriting our understanding of the universe. But here's where it gets controversial. Scientists are still debating whether this icy visitor is truly a natural phenomenon or something far stranger. Let's break down what makes this discovery so groundbreaking. Discovered on July 1st, 3I Atlas hurtled toward the sun at over 130,000 miles per hour, leaving behind a trail of mystery. Less than 24 hours later, NASA confirmed it was the third known interstellar object, ISO, a piece of debris from a distant star system. Unlike Earth, which is only 4.5 billion years old, this comet could be up to 3 billion years old, a mind-bending clue about the ancient origins of our solar system. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, located in the Chilean Andes, played a crucial role in revealing the comet's true size. Using its world-leading digital camera, the observatory captured images of 3I Atlas in its early datasets, allowing scientists to estimate its nucleus at around 3.5 miles in radius, nearly twice the size of Oumuamua, the first known ISO, which was only 0.2 miles wide. This new data also showed a vast coma, a swirling cloud of ice, dust, and gas, stretching up to 15 miles across, hinting at a complex, dynamic world. But this isn't just about numbers. The discovery raises big questions. While most scientists agree 3I Atlas is a natural comet, some researchers have floated wild theories, like the idea it might be a disguised alien probe. This debate underscores how little we know about objects beyond our solar system. Could this be a signal from another civilization, or is it just a random cosmic accident? The Vera C. Rubin Observatory is more than a telescope. It's a gateway to the unknown. With a 10-year mission to scan the southern hemisphere skies, it promises to find thousands of new asteroids and potentially hundreds of interstellar visitors. If this is just the beginning, the next decade could be one of the most exciting in human history. So what do you think? Is 3I Atlas a natural comet, or does it hold secrets of an alien origin? Share your thoughts in the comments, because the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved.